Southern Man Street. That'd be nice. Kaufakalataha, welcome back. We're at the netball Christmas breakout party. Pai kupu, Steph?
This is our breakup dinner. Fine wine dining. Well, we're all here, so we'll see what happens. If we can eat as well as we play. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Wow.
Here's David, the man David. Leantu. Lily. Hi. Hi. Big shot.
Yep, we're in Stonefield's Ale House. Spade's Ale House. And yeah, we come to celebrate a good season, and we played every season this year. So yeah, okay, wait for the food. First meal. What are these? Lamb ribs? Lamb cutlets. She on compliments of Steph. Yeah, shot Steph. Ah, man, must be doing well.
Oh, did you see my story? The song
Oh.
Vocal player on the court.
Yay!
This player surprises us. She's like the Ciara on the court. You are the best 1-2 step shooter. Okay, this player, when he is on fire, he is on fire. This player saves many and big times of food up here. Everywhere, sweat, I think that's pretty cool. This player is the best highlight reel for shooting. He gets the goal of the day in the last 2 seconds of the game.
Steve Crichton.
Alright, this player hops on the court and destroys the previous player he gets a few good sets, even a few goals. This player shows the most potential out of all of us. This player always has a charm, always about that. Don't underestimate calm nature. This player is also very competitive, like a ninja. Ladies player, Nia, you're the opposite to your sister over here. You're the most well behaved. to get the most important players in our team, whether they're cheering for us on the sideline, playing truth or dare, or giving us tips, saying, run faster. It's the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, Elijah, bless the food.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you for all that.
Southern man stew. That'd be nice. Steph just paid for dinner. Whakawelahi.
Sorry. Thanks, Steph. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Mom.
This is Seole Moana.
Stay only Moana. Yeah, sorry, just not do that.
Yeah, nah. You were there. OG. Yeah.
Shout out to little group. If you need a performance,
Yes.
hit us up.
Yeah,
Instagram page. Stay only Moana. Instagram page. So hit us up for any gigs, Samoa, Niue, Tongan, whatever. Songs, anything to it. Anything for you guys. Make sure subscribe, like button, hit the bell for notifications. We're gonna see more of our family celebrations. We're gonna see more of our family gatherings. Subscribe. Make sure don't go home. See how doggy way and say their things to try. Woohoo! Bye guys. Makasih. Monuinepo.
Woo! Shoo! You heard that? If you need some entertainment, hit up Seole Moana. Yeah. So this is AO House.
What are you guys doing?
We're in the Stonefields. Here's Crichton. It's our star netball player. Oosh! 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 Here's our up and coming player, Penga. Yeah.
Upcoming players over there. With much potential.
Here's our Skux player. He's single. He's how old? 13?
Nah, he's got
Oh, yeah. He's this is Hector, my nephew. David.
Hi guys.
This is Elijah. He said the prayer. Awesome prayer, Elijah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the crew. This is the Eric crew.
Yeah, go,
Yeah. And
He's got my favorite. Do you have my favorite?
Pepe Leo.
I'm getting LA vibes.
Okay. Photo time.
All right.